Decisions, decisions. When we talk about locking in your interest rate, we're going to ask you to make a choice. Do you want to pay discount points or not? And if so, how much? Which I guess is really two decisions. But however we tally them, they're important. Points affect your cash due at closing, your interest rate, and your monthly payment. They are a big deal, and they're a little like a pebble tossed into a pond. The impact ripples out over the full life of your loan. So depending on how you're wired, I have good news and more good news. If you enjoy sinking into the weeds and learning all about the why and the how and the inside baseball, we've got you covered. We find this stuff endlessly fascinating, and we're happy to pull back the curtain and invite you into our personal obsession. On the other hand, if you want just the right amount of information to make the best choice and avoid a potentially expensive mistake without any of that unnecessary backstory, we also have you covered. We have created a tool called the Points Analyzer, and it does all the math for you so you don't have to. For an overview of the Points Analyzer, just scroll down on this page. Picking the right rate and point combination using the Points Analyzer can be traffic signal simple. Green means go.